It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. Alright, let's start on the right foot and clarify everything. All this excitement was based on the assumption that XRP will reach the historic $10,000 mark. Oh, and did you hear what? That forecast has now received a significant boost. Who else than Larry Fink of Blackrock would be lending his support to this venture? And when he says $10,000 per XRP, he means it. No, he's portraying it as an absolute must-have. Just wait till you see financial behemoths like BlackRock and Vanguard giving XRP real consideration for their cross-border operations. It becomes better. Supposedly, BlackRock is planning to develop an XRP-focused exchange-traded fund. Yeah, you read it correctly. However, that's not all. That wasn't the end of Larry Fink. The enormous real estate market, valued at $30 trillion, is what he is seeing. And you know what? The key to its future is right here. You are prepared to tokenize anything using the XRP ledger, and the ISDA is throwing in an unbelievable $1.2 trillion. Not only is $10,000 per XRP going to be transferred over the XRP ledger and RippleNet, but the International Swaps and Traders Association is also involved. They're only playing. The price of XRP might eventually reach a staggering $60,000. Fantastic, with that out of the way, let's go on to the next section. Another bombshell was delivered by Larry Fink of BlackRock. That's not all he's saying. He's playing the role of Ripple, a cryptocurrency that's about to undergo a massive transformation as its digital asset XRP prepares to tokenize everything. Stay tuned for an eye-catching footage in the next section of our film. The fact that Larry Fink has publicly said that BlackRock is working on an XRP ETF is reason enough to react quickly. The long-awaited video is now here. And Bitcoin Exchange Traded Standard is one way that we're making it more legitimate and establishing better security for. Will you be developing a further app for the XRP ETF? In my opinion, XRP is the way to go with the Ether app. Would you be able to provide me with just that? Not me. Plus, guess what? Do I? Absolutely not. The rack has been handed to me. That there has been a deluge of strange happenings in the cryptocurrency sector as of late, most notably with XRP, see this on the world-famous Crypto.com exchange. Astoundingly, the value of XRP skyrocketed to $43,000. This is happening more than once. Part of a larger pattern where the value of XRP has been surprisingly soaring recently. Do you recall last week when we spoke about the $7,000 XRP problem at a major exchange? It seems that these unexpected increases in the value of XRP are becoming commonplace across many exchanges, and now it's Crypto.com's time. But now I want to shift gears and talk you something completely different, something equally interesting that has nothing to do with BlackRock or the general XRP market surge, that I found throughout my extensive study. Let's go into a subject about the renowned SEC chairman who followed Jay Clinton, Gary Gensler. Gensler has long held the view that XRP is a security, as you may be aware. The interesting part begins here. Robert M. Gensler, Gary's identical twin brother, was born at the same time as him and looks quite similar. As the company's vice president, Robert plays a pivotal role at T. Rowe Price. If you look closer, you'll see that T. Rowe Price isn't your average investing company. It's a big player that's putting a lot of money into Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP, indubitably. So, this is related in an interesting way. Well, SEC head Gary Gensler insists on classifying XRP as a security. This intriguing contrast between his twin brother's involvement in an investing business and the firm's status as a major investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies begs many questions about the complex dynamics at work in the realm of cryptocurrency legislation and investments. Let us now consider the enticing prospect that T. Rowe Price VP Robert Gensler may possess insider knowledge on the potential of XRP, similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum possess. Despite the SEC's apparent denial of insider trading, many investigations and publications have shown that the business has substantial holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, lending credence to this allegation. It would seem that a trend is developing as these investigations into insider trading and market manipulation have again and again exposed dubious behavior inside the SEC. It seems that SEC officials are informing their families about which digital assets might soon be declassified from the securities classification. They start investing early on. It also happens when the asset is formally deemed not a security. As a result, these loved ones may benefit greatly from its meteoric rise in value. The only way to do it is to purchase cheap and sell high. Here, we may think about the chance that Robert and Gensler had insider intelligence about the SEC's possible loss and the lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gensler. This news might mean that Congress is trying to persuade Ripple Labs and the SEC to resolve their differences, which would be great news for smart investors looking to buy XRP. On the other hand, T. Rowe Price is putting more and more money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. The addition of XRP further complicates matters, and the cryptocurrency world is abuzz over the possibility of XRP's skyrocketing value. Notably, XRP bulls like Jack the Ripper have predicted a meteoric surge in value for the cryptocurrency, with some predicting it may hit $589. This may translate to $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000. Wall Street is looking to cash in on the lucrative XRP market, and my gut tells me that an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, will be the first major move in this direction. This prediction, though daring, highlights the increasing interest in XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. A former director of Ripple has taken notice of the fascinating news from Crypto Basic, where an analyst is speculating that JP Morgan has made a substantial investment in XRP. We need to dissect this information since it made me raise an eyebrow. The tale goes like this. Former member of the BitBoy crypto brand Ben Armstrong has brought forward some contentious allegations about JP Morgan's purported involvement in XRP. Revealing this in a series of postings, a prominent player in the crypto realm provoked a response from an ex-Ripple director named Armstrong. According to him, JP Morgan has bought 7.5 million XRP coins. Hold for a second, since this arithmetic looks completely incorrect, yet Armstrong continues by saying that this transaction accounts for almost 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall value. In order to put things in context, Armstrong's math doesn't match up, with JP Morgan's entire assets valued at $3.89 trillion in 2023, 7.5 million XRP at its present price of $4.6 million doesn't even come close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's fortune. Notwithstanding this, Armstrong stresses the importance of JP Morgan's plan, which, in his view, presents the bank as a rising star in the cryptocurrency industry and suggests that they are secretly hoarding XRP. The story goes like this: JP Morgan and other Wall Street behemoths are considering becoming involved in the cryptocurrency market, and XRP is at the center of their attention. Major financial organizations getting into crypto isn't to be ignored, even if the numbers could be a little off. With XRP at its core, it highlights an intriguing trend where conventional banking and the digital currency industry are converging. Armstrong's daring claims have also brought the asset management behemoth Blackrock into the limelight. He's causing a sensation by stating that Blackrock is acquiring XRP for its investment portfolio, just after its iShares Bitcoin ETF was approved. Armstrong continued. Additionally, he is focusing on the Ripple v. US SEC case, which is still continuing. If this tendency of accumulation is real, his analysis suggests that these financial behemoths have a firm trust in XRP's potential future and are eager to get in on the action despite the continuing legal drama. Given the legal uncertainty surrounding XRP, it would indicate that major financial institutions are placing bets on the cryptocurrency. Let me tell you something, everyone, the day when Wall Street will accept cryptocurrency was always coming. I can't believe we've come this far after all these years of talking about this. It seemed like a pipe dream before. It is believed that XRP will not follow Bitcoin's path. With all due respect, I must disagree. This scenario that Armstrong is depicting may not be comprehensive, but hear me out, the narrative deepens. The question is not if, but when. As a counterargument to Armstrong's startling assertions, former Ripple director Matt Hamilton expressed serious doubts about the veracity of the transaction. Additionally, he doubted that it would have any real effect on XRP. With 100 billion XRP in circulation and 7.5 million XRP in circulation, we're looking at a pitiful 0.0075%, according to Hamilton's calculator, who points up the currency's massive supply. Even Hamilton made a joke about it, so I'm assuming it's a spoof. With regard to the assertions made by Armstrong, you could almost need a sarcastic lens to make sense of Armstrong's assertions, which are sometimes outlandish. It's a playful homage to that. Alright, I'll explain the math since, it kind of stands on its own. The numbers that Hamilton used to highlight the first claim's obvious errors were spot on. There's no denying that something is off with the math. However, this made me reflect, from where did this fanciful tale ever emerge? Listen up, folks, I struck the jackpot after doing some investigating. The source is a real doozy, and I tracked it down. That concludes our exploration of the intricate and often ambiguous realm of crypto reporting. Being perceptive and alert is of the utmost importance. Whenever you need the genuine scoop to assist you navigate these rough seas, I'm here for you. Do not assume that I am a certified financial planner, I do not. The only intention behind these films is to provide amusement. Before making any major financial choices, I always tell my viewers to do their own study and talk to experts. Many thanks for joining us. A thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot if you thought the video was entertaining. Coming up shortly, farewell.